High-scoring TOK examples are useful, but only if you stop treating them as templates. The value is not the exact paragraph. The value is seeing what the examiner notices inside the reasoning. When you open an annotated example, read the examiner-style notes before the paragraph. The notes tell you why the paragraph works, where the claim is doing knowledge work, and where the evidence is only supporting that work. Every strong example has a job. It may test a claim, expose a limitation, compare two AOKs, or sharpen a counterclaim. If you cannot name the job, you are probably copying surface content. A famous topic can hide weak reasoning. Ask what the example does in the essay. Does it measure reliability, show interpretation, reveal bias, or test a method? That function matters more than fame. After reading one annotated example, write a transfer note in your own words. Do not write the paragraph again. Write the move. This example works because it connects evidence to a precise knowledge problem. The safest thing to copy is not wording. Copy the question the example is answering. For instance, what does this evidence show about trust, interpretation, uncertainty, or method? In a high-scoring example, there is usually a turning point where description becomes analysis. Annotated examples help you find that moment, so you can create the same kind of turn in your own essay. Now, place your own example beside the annotated one. Ask, does my example have a clear knowledge function, or is it just an interesting event? That one comparison can improve the whole paragraph. Use 3 colors when studying the bundle: one for claim, one for evidence, and one for examiner comment. If all the color is on the story, your draft is probably too descriptive. The goal is not to find a more impressive topic. The goal is to make your chosen example prove something precise about knowledge. Annotated examples show you what that precision looks like. After studying a model, revise only one thing in your draft: the claim, the link to evidence, or the implication. Small targeted changes are safer than rewriting your whole paragraph from a model. Use the TOK bundle as a training tool. Read the notes, name the move, then test your own draft against it. That is how examples improve your essay without becoming copy text.